The scientists call it a supermassive black hole. It's a black hole, they say, is 17 billion times the mass of our sun. It could be the largest black hole ever detected. The cosmic discovery made this week. Astronomy expert with National Geographic, Andrew Fazekas, also known as the Night Sky Guy, joining us now from Montreal. Welcome once again, Andrew. Tell us everything you know about this supermassive black hole.
Yeah, I mean, this thing is a real heavyweight. They think this black hole may even set the record as being the largest in the universe that we've ever seen, at about 17 billion times the mass of our sun. It sits inside of a heart of a galaxy about 220 million light years away. And what it's really left astronomers puzzled with is that the galaxy that it finds itself in, this black hole, is only the 10th the size of our Milky Way. And our Milky Way also has, by the way, a black hole, but it weighs at the center of our Milky Way. There is a black hole. It weighs about a billion times the mass of our sun, so much smaller than this, just a fraction of the size. And yet, this little galaxy, so much smaller than our own, has this probably the biggest in the universe. So astronomers don't quite understand what the mechanism and what the role of this black hole may be for this little galaxy, and that's the question that they have right now.
And for folks who aren't familiar with black holes, a quick thumbnail of what they are.
Well, black holes basically are the objects in the universe that have the most gravitational pull. So nothing can leave a black hole, not even light. They originate from very large stars when they die and collapse, and then the largest black holes, like what we're seeing here, this is the big phenomenon, is how exactly do they form? Probably a coalescence of smaller black holes coming together and forming one gigantic one at the centers of all galaxies.
So what's the significance of this discovery compared to what we've known so far about the universe?
Well, I think this discovery is kind of a game changer, because it's pushing our boundaries of understanding how these really bizarre, exotic objects that black holes really are, how they function, and how extreme they can really get. We always think of black holes as being predators that devour things, but they also act as a dynamo in allowing a galaxy to live and flourish. They produce a lot of material as well that spews out of a black hole, and we think that they actually can provide material that will seed the universe for the next generation of stars, planets, and maybe even the building blocks of life.
Nonetheless, there are going to be a lot of people who wonder, are we going to have to go to work tomorrow? Is this any threat to Earth, Andrew?
I'm sorry?
Is this any threat to Earth?
No, definitely. You don't forget to pay your credit card bills, because this is not an excuse. This black hole is plenty far away, at over 200 million light years away from Earth, so no danger to us.
All right. Let's talk about this discovery of ice made of water on the North Pole of all planets, Mercury. Mercury being the planet that's closest to the sun. Water, not exactly the first place we'd expect to find there.
That's right. I mean, Mercury is the closest planet to the sun. It's 3 times closer than Earth is, actually. So by the very nature of its proximity to our star, it reaches temperatures of over 400 degrees Celsius. So astronomers actually were very surprised to find ice. On the North Pole of Mercury, at the bottoms, in the permanently shadowed areas of craters around the North Pole of Mercury. And so we're talking at least 100 billion to 1 trillion tons of water ice hidden in the permanently shadowed areas of these craters near the North Pole of Mercury. So I guess this means that we could maybe one day go skating on Mercury.
Andrew Fazekas, the Night Sky Guy, and an astronomy expert with National Geographic. Andrew, good to see you again. Thanks a lot for this.
Thank you.